Hi! Welcome to Platform Mastery. In this video, I will show you how to change your voice on Discord. First thing to do is to go to your web browser and search for Clownfish Voice Changer. Open the website and click Download. You have different choices here, but let's download this 64-bit. After downloading, double-click the Voice Changer app. Then, click Next and check the Create Desktop shortcut and Create Start Menu shortcut. Then, click Next and click Install. Wait until this installation process is done. Click Next and click Finish button. After the process is done, click this Find Local Disk, click Program Files, click the Clown Voice Changer, and open the app. After that, go to Discord app. Click Setting, choose Voice and Video. Select Input Device. Close this. Right-click the Voice Changer application in the lower right of your computer. Click Setup. Select System Integration. Ensure that you have the correct microphone installed in your system and make sure that the microphone is not removed. If you have already verified or checked if the microphone is installed, click Close. Right-click on Voice Changer app, select Set Voice Changer.
In this app, you can choose what will the effect you want to change in your voice.
Click Clear Effect if you already done of changing your voice. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!